Hello. Is anyone out there? Is anyone out there? I think I must be the world's loudest typer. Sorry about that. Well, while I wait for you guys, I'm just going to practice trying to do this math online. So here we go. Is that Hayden? Hey, Hayden. Y'all feel free to tell me what you've been up to, or if you want to go over math problems, feel free to shoot them at me because I am bored. I figured it was you, Hayden. Yay, Roseanne's working on her calendar. You got questions, girl? Which number, which day? Hayden, what have you been up to besides causing trouble? All right. Let's see what I can do on this thing. I'm just going to start at number 1, and if you guys have questions about a calendar problem, just let me know. Hey, Anna, Nana, how are you? Oh my goodness, I miss you guys. I'm sure this clicking is super loud. I'm so sorry. Ooh, is Khan Academy something good to do? Absolutely. You guys can do Khan Academy. That's amazing. And if you need me to set up a class for that, I can do that. Or you can just do it on your own. Either way is amazing. Hey, Danny. So I'm curious. Ooh, you need help with number 4. Sweet. Let's look at number 4. All right, number 4. At track practice, Bethany ran. Oh, hello, Will / Duck Life. It's good to see you. How have you been? We're working on number 4, but tell me in the comments what you've been up to, Will, because I missed you guys. All right, at track practice, Bethany ran 5 more miles this week than last week. Okay, so Bethany at track practice. Oh my goodness, alpaca's on. Y'all are distracting me. Stop it. Okay, Bethany ran 5 more miles this week than last week. Okay, so let's say that last week she ran X because it doesn't tell us what she ran. So this would be like week 1. And then if we look at week 2, it says that in week 2, she ran 5 more miles. So if she ran 5 more miles than last time, you would take whatever she ran in B1 for Bethany 1 for week 1, and we're going to add 5 to it. So this represents how many she ran the first week, and then this represents how many she ran the second week. So let me look at the question. The question wants to know, write an expression to show the total miles she ran in both weeks. So if we're running both weeks, we're going to take this, whatever this is. Oh, I miss you. And we're going to add this to it. So we have what she ran in week 1, and we are adding what she ran in week 2. So we have x plus 5 Oh my goodness, now we have our favorite malfunction online. Careful, if we all go down, we'll know what the digital problem is. Hey Akil, it's good to see you. Well, not see you, but talk to you. Oh, and Camden's here. Hey Camden, what are you up to? All right, sorry Anna, I'm back to this problem. Y'all know I get distracted easily. So we have x plus 5, and we can only add like terms. So we have this x plus this x plus 5. So we're not going to add 5. That's a constant term. So if we're adding these together, we have 1x plus 1x equals 2x. And then there's really nothing we can do with this plus 5 because it's not a like term. So we're just going to add plus 5 over here to get your expression. Oh, I'm so glad you're not causing any disasters, Akil. But, you know, we're still early in the game here. Oh, Will has a problem you want to go with. Anna, did that help answer your questions? What? To Danny? Sure. Oh my goodness. Oh, hey Brayden. All right, so Will, give me what number you want to look at, and we'll go through that one next. Oh, I miss you. Oh, Maddie, hey. Sweet. I have so many windows up right now, and you guys know. Number 1. All right, Will wants help with number 1. Hey.
Howdy.
It's my child.
One of them.
One of my child. Okay. Let me add another screen here. Oh, actually, I started on number 1 here, so let's just go back to this screen. So number 1, let me erase what I had done here.
I was gonna do something.
Number 1, this one's dedicated to Will. Here we go. So number 1, we need to find the perimeter of this shape. It's a rectangle, so we are going to add the, oh, you need help with number 1 too. Awesome. So we're going to add each side. So this side at the top is, let me get a different color because I've written all over this. This side at the top is 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. And then down this side, the length is 2x, so we're going to add that side because we're adding all the sides together to find perimeter. Hey, Addie. 2x. Sorry. I got distracted. There's an attorney on board. Then we need to add the length of this side. This side right here is the same as this side at the top. So again, we're going to add 3x plus 4. Hola, Reese. And then the last side is right here, and that's going to be the same size as this one, so we're going to add 2x. Now, some of you guys on your last calendar, because we had gone over this and then we kind of stopped that unit on expressions, some of you guys added all of these together and oh, Reese, you're funny. And then just put an X on the end of it. So remember that we can only add like terms. So we're going to add 3X here plus 2X. Those are like terms because they have the X plus another 3X plus 2X. So we have 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 gives me dun, da, 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 10X. Oh, happy early birthday, Reese. I'll let you stay home from school for your birthday. How's that? Now we're going to add the constant terms. So here we have a positive 4 and a positive 4. So when I add those together, hey, Addie, we have plus 8. So number 1, we have 10x plus 8. And that is all you can do with it. Do not add those together to 18x. We cannot add them if they're not like terms. So this would be your answer for number 1. Will, hope that helps you. And who was the other person that needed that one? Maybe Akil? Wait, give me Cashew so Anna can see him.
Okay.
Because she painted a cat, and I'm so proud of you, Anna, for painting a cat.
They can see you.
I wish I could see it.
They can see you.
Yeah, they can see me.
Oh no.
Here, Anna. This is my buddy. This is Cashew. Say hi, Cashew. Say, I like having my mommy home, but she misses you guys. He doesn't really like me, so that's okay.
Pennsylvania.
Do you love me?
So
No? Oh,
He
wow.
don't like you. He likes me.
Oh, sorry, dude.
He likes me.
Okay. So I think I saw someone ask for number 14. Was that Reese? Reese wants 14, and then Anna wants number 10. Perfect. All right, let's see what we can do here. 14, number 14. Yeah, they can still see me.
What?
They want to look at my beautiful face, obviously. That's why they're here.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Let me move this little picture I just took in here so I don't have to keep flipping back and forth.
Yum.
Oh, hello.
Howdy.
My bad. All right, so here's the problem. Problem number 14. So which ordered pair follows the rule y equals 2x plus 3? So let's look at this guy. We have 2x plus 3 equals y. So we know when we are looking at these coordinates, hang on, I can't see my comments anymore. Gotta make sure y'all aren't making fun of me or something. Oh no, there's a ghost. Okay, here we go. So here's the question, y equals 2x plus 3. We want to know which one of these guys fit with this category. So we have to remember that y, which would be here, is the second coordinate. So this is the y coordinate for each of these. And the x coordinate here would be the first ones. So to figure this out, I'm going to put the x coordinate here, and then I'm going to solve to see if it works and it equals what y is. So for A, we're saying that 2 times 0 plus 3 should equal 5. Okay, so is that true? If we do 2 times 0, that equals 0 plus 3. Does that equal 5? Nope. So A is not the correct answer. So let's do another, let's try B and see if that works. So B, 11, we'd have 2 times 11, because 11 is the x coordinate. Don't judge how I spell isosceles. It's not nice. And then you add 3. I don't teach spelling. And that equals y. So we want our y to be 4 right here. So if this equals 4, then B will be the answer. So 2 times 11 is 22, plus 3 is... No. 2 times 11 is 22, plus 3, 25.
Not 14.
Y is not going to be 11. It's going to be 25. So we see there that this one also does not work. So let's just test the last one. I'm hoping the last one works because it's the only one we have left. So let's check it out. So if x is 5, so 2 times 5 plus 3 would equal y, and we want that y to be 13. So 2 times 5 here is 10 plus, I kill, man, plus 3 is 13. So when x is 5, y equals 13. So C would be the answer to that one.
Not 14.
Yes, Akil, you got it. The answer C. You did it. I'm so proud of you. Look at you. Haha. Oh, is that Nevaeh? Nevaeh's right down the street from me.
She is?
All right. So that was 14. I think Anna asked for one up here. Number 10. Anna, you still need number 10? I just need help. Y'all are funny.
I want to get
All right. Number 10. 38 equals 3y.
That says
28. I can read. 28
Apparently neither of us can read.
equals 3. How does y become x? Will, does that have to do with the last problem? Will, are you in your own world? Eight.
Equals 3 bar.
I was waiting for Will to see if he'd respond, but I think I'm delayed a little bit. That's okay. So we'll just keep going. Will, let me know if you were talking about the last one I did, and I'll go back to it. All right, and so we want to know, oh, yeah. Or I'll fall apart. Oh, you've got it now. Good. Okay. Back to this problem then. Sorry, Anna. So 28 equals 3y. We want to get y by itself. So this is one of those problems where we have to isolate the variable. So we want y by itself. Right now we're taking y and multiplying by 3. So we want to do the opposite of that. So what is the opposite of multiplying by 3? It's dividing by 3. Oh, you guys are so smart. Dividing by 3. So this will cancel out, and y will equal 28 divided by 3. So for this one, you can answer as a decimal or a fraction. It does not matter to me. Oh, do you want to see your time online? Do you want to say hello too? Okay, let me see. Oh, that's not the right one. Here is Sugar. Sugar wants to say hi too. You want to do math?
No.
Are you scared? Don't be scared. They're all nice.
Most
of them are nice, yeah. Akil's a little crazy, but that's okay. We love him. Say hi. Okay, she doesn't care. Okay. All right. So back to this problem. We have 28 divided by 3 equals y. Again, you can answer as a decimal or a fraction. It does not matter. See, I like that I'm making your mom laugh. She's my new best friend. 28 divided by 3 will give you the answer. 20. Sugar the math doggo. I love it. I love it.
Someone took the dog.
Absorbs dog. Oh my gosh.
Don't take.
All right, so that is 9, which is 27. I get 1 left. 1 and divided by 3 is 9 and 1/3. Aw, Addie says hi, Sugar.
You're doing this on YouTube?
Yeah. I'm famous. Awesome. So that was number, I don't remember.
10.
Number 10. There you go. Okay, I think Addie, was it Addie? I'm going up.
Number 22.
Number 10
We
and
just
then
did-
22.
we just did 10.
We just did 10?
Yeah, we just did 10.
Oh, rock on. I don't have to do that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you already did.
22. All right, number 22 is cool. Well, I'll totally take that one as a fraction or decimal. Just make sure you put that line above the 3 so I know that you know that it's a repeating decimal. Yes, with a line on top. Good. You already said that. Awesome. You guys are so smart. All right. I said I was going to do
22.
22. All right. 22 is 14.
Oops. Sorry. Don't want to be in the live stream.
All
Leave me
right.
in my Leave me alone.
Okay. 14 minus 3 and 54 hundredths. So let's see if I can remember that. 14 minus, nope, I can't remember it. 3 and 54 hundredths. Okay, so notice that I did not line this up because when we subtract decimals, we need to line up the decimals. So my decimal is here after the ones place, decimal is here after the ones place, and then my decimal will land here at the end. Oh, somebody said hello to the person talking in the background. That's Kelly.
What's up?
So once I've lined up my decimals, I'm going to add phantom zeros to make sure that everything lines up beautifully. So I'm going to put 2 zeros here because then I have a tenths place and a hundredths place for both of these numbers. Now I can subtract. So I'm going to have to borrow, and remember that you can borrow a penny and give it back at the end of the problem. So if I borrow a penny, that's going to make this $13.99. And then I can subtract $3.54. Is this 22? Yes, this is 22.
Am I famous now too? Definitely. Okay.
12. Okay, I'll do number 12 next, Addie. Okay, so now that I have these beautiful numbers that I don't have to regroup, I can subtract 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Bring down the decimal. 3 minus 3 is 0. And 1 minus nothing is 1. So don't forget that we borrowed this penny. So now we have to give it back. So we're going to add our penny back. And then we end up with 10.46. You're welcome, Addie. Oh my gosh. All right, now Miss Addison wanted number 12, so let's look at that one next. Number 12, use distributive property to simplify the expression. So we have a 3, and then we have 7x squared oof, agreed. Plus 8y. I can't with you, Akil. You're so funny. All right. So I think, besides my terrible handwriting, because I'm trying to write with a trackpad, I think I've got the problem down. Okay, so with distributive property, distributive is the same, comes from the same word as distribute, like to pass things out. So this 3, the big bad wolf that's outside the parentheses, is going to multiply by each of the guys inside the parentheses. So we're going to start with 3 times 7x squared. So when we multiply, it doesn't have to be like terms. So 3 times 7 is 21. And if we multiply that by x squared, we're going to get 21x squared. Plus, we just bring the sign down. And then we have 3 times 8y, which equals 24y. Now again, these are not like terms. Not only are they not the same variable, but this one is squared. So this right here is your final answer. It's the big bad wolf. It is the big bad wolf. You're welcome for number 22. All right, it looks like I have a request for number 13.
Are you British?
I don't know, I've become British.
What about that one?
Too tired to use grammar while
No,
typing.
not that one.
I think she was answering.
That one. Hey, Dad.
Hey, Dad. I'm online, so don't say anything weird with my kids.
Just tell him not to talk.
Weird.
Don't say anything weird.
Weird.
Okay, number 13. Let's look at 13. Okay, which equation has 8 as a solution? So A is y minus 3 equals 6. I have a request for my animals. That's so sweet. They would love to have somebody to play with. So if we want to know if 8 is a solution, then what it's asking is, can we put 8 where the variable is, and it will answer the problem. So if I put 8 where the y is, where the variable is, does this problem now make sense? Is it correct? Which is a big no. So that is not the answer. The next one is, forgot which problem I was doing. Oh, no. Yes?
No. Yeah.
Was I doing number 13? Oh, yes, number 13. Okay, the second one is x over 2 equals 16. So x over 2 equals, Addie says hi to Miss Easton's husband. 16.
Hello, Eddie.
He says, hello, Eddie. So does it make sense if I put an 8 where the variable is? Will this make sense? So that would be 8 divided by 2 equals 16. If that's correct, then that's our answer. Is that correct? No.
I'm getting good at this.
So again, it must be the last one here, but let's check it just to be sure. So the last one was 5x equals 40. So we have 5x equals 40. Wow, that's a 4. So 5 times 8, we're going to put 8 where the variable is, would equal 40. And is that correct? Absolutely. So C would be your answer for that one. So let me just really quickly give you guys an update, and then I'm going to let you guys go. We can do this again if you guys like it, or we can meet on Canvas so I can see your cute faces too. But so far what the schools are telling us is that we are not to give you guys new things to do. So if you want to work on the stuff on Canvas, you are welcome to. If you want to work Alex, please work on Alex. If you want to do some brain pops or flow cabs and send them to me, awesome. But that is on you guys. It's totally optional at this point. We're thinking about doing an Alex kind of March Madness thing with the other classes next week, just to kind of get you guys motivated about, getting back in the swing of things and learning. But if you need anything, email me. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe and having fun. I miss you a lot. I live in North Carolina. Me too. Way to go, Will. So anyways, just stay busy and let me know how you're doing. Send me emails or let me know if you liked doing this and we can do it again. And we will talk again soon. So I have meetings with the school tomorrow online. So I'm doing that tomorrow. So maybe Friday I can do this again and kind of give you guys an update, and we can all say, hey, maybe we'll do it in the Canvas course so I can see you guys too and see all your cute pets. So I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.
What was that?
I don't know.
Just throwing things at the camera? Pow, 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 pow.
She's judging me. Bye.